So guys, you guys remember before we placed an order in this platform, we had 4,949 followers and we still have 4,949 followers. Then how do we know if these followers have started coming in? All we need to do is to refresh. How then do we refresh? We just need to draw this thing down and boom. As you can see, we currently have 5,006 followers, right? Which means that these followers has already started coming in. So you will get more followers if you use this website I'm going to be introducing to you today. This website is called Growbeta.net. As you can see right here on the screen, Growbeta.net. The link is in the description. Just tap on it and it will take you to the website, right? But before then, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to use this website. So the first thing we need to do is to create an account. So if you want to create an account, just come to this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Just tap on it. And once you tap on it, just come to this username right here, create a username. While writing your username, write it together. Then come to this email right here and enter your email and come to password, create a password and confirm your password right here and click on the sign up right here and your account is going to be created easy peasy. So this is exactly how to create an account in this platform. But because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So I just need to log into my account to show you guys exactly how to use this platform. So let's go. So right now I'm logging into my account. As you can see right here, when you create an account and log in, this is exactly how we're going to be looking like. So the first thing you need to do is to come to this category right here. Can you see this category? Just tap on it and scroll right down and look for TikTok services. Right here you can see TikTok services and you can also see TikTok followers. And I like using this particular one, TikTok followers, 10% drop, fast delivery. I just need to select it, then come to this service right here. Can you see the service right here? Tap on it and select preferable one. I like using the first one, so I need to select it, then come to this description. Description is actually what describes the service. It's important for you to read description before you actually do this thing. So in order for you to understand the service, right? So after reading the description, just come to this link right here and paste your profile link. Just in case you don't know how to copy your profile link, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. So let's go to TikTok. So right now I'm on my TikTok right now. If you want to copy your profile link, just come to this arrow up here. Can you see this arrow up here? Just tap on it and come to this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link right here? Just tap on it and your link is copied. Then but before we get back to Growbeta, we just need to come and let's confirm something. Before we place an order in this platform, we had 4,949 followers. It's important for you to mark it because we're going to come back for you to see that these followers are going to increase. So let's go back and paste our link. When you come back, just paste your link right here and come to this quantity. Quantity is the amount of followers you want. In this video, I just want 100, so I don't need to start it. Then come to this submit right here. Can you see the submit right here? Just tap on the submit and right here you can see they said our order has been received. So all we need to do right now is for us to exercise patience and these followers will start coming in. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever we are doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how do you do for an account in this platform is very easy. All you need to do is to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Just tap on it and come to this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Just tap on it. And once you tap on it, right, just come to this amount right here and enter the amount you want to pay and click on this pay right here. Can you see this pay? Just tap on it. And once you tap on the pay, Growbeta is going to ask you, how would you like to pay? Would you like to pay with debit card, bank transfer, or with bank? If you select debit card, right, put your card details right here and click on pay, right? If you select bank transfer, right, just tell them I understand instruction. After reading all these instructions right here, then click on this continue, and the Growbeta is going to provide account number. As you can see right here, just make payment to the account number. You don't need to do anything. Automatically this money is going to reflect to your balance, right? So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So let's go back to TikTok to actually confirm if these followers have started coming in, guys. Let's go. So guys, you guys remember before we placed an order in this platform, we had 4,949 followers and we still have 4,949 followers. Then how do we know if these followers have started coming in? All we need to do is to refresh. How then do we refresh? We just need to draw this thing down and boom. As you can see, we currently have 5,006 followers, right? Which means that these followers has already started coming in. So when you come to notification, you see that we currently have new 56 followers right here. All right, so this is exactly how to actually use this platform to actually boost your TikTok followers, right? So all you need to do basically is for you to come to this platform, create an account, do exactly the same thing I did in this video, and you'll be able to get these followers. And the link to the website is in the description. Just tap on it to take you to the website, right? So thank you all for watching and see you guys in my next video.